Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change the name display of your camera for the REOLINK Argus Pro. And to start, we'll need to add the camera to the app we shown you in our previous video on how to do it, so be sure to check that out. Then click on this gear icon next to your camera. You can move on to the display. Then go for camera name and select in which portion of the screen you'll see the camera name. So you can use top left, top center, top right, bottom left, bottom center, bottom right, and hide it entirely. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.